Do you want fluffy, delicious, and healthy pancakes for breakfast? In today's video, I will show you how I make my pancakes fluffier, tastier, and super healthy. You can make regular store-bought pancakes healthier by adding some simple, nutritious ingredients. This is so quick and easy to make, you can have a healthy breakfast within minutes. You can also meal prep a large batch, so you'll have healthy breakfast for days. So healthy and delicious. Here's a little bit about me. Welcome to our health and wellness family. I am Charlene. I have been practicing natural and holistic health for over 25 years. I was an assistant vitamin manager, and I'm very grateful that I've helped thousands of people over the years to improve their health using healthy foods as natural medicine and natural supplements as needed. So let's begin with a simple pancake mix. We're gonna start by using a cup or a cup and a half of pancake mix. Use more or less depending on serving size. Next, we're gonna add 1 banana. Bananas provide a quick energy boost, aid in digestion, support heart health, and assist in muscle function due to their high potassium, fiber, and vitamin B6 content. Use a fork to mash the banana into smaller pieces. Now add the banana to the pancake mix. Next, add some water. Mix to combine everything evenly. Add enough water until you get a pancake-like batter. Keep mixing the batter for a smoother consistency. Next, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil. We're also gonna add 2 organic eggs. Eggs are considered one of nature's most perfect and complete proteins. It has all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs have choline, which is in the yolk, which is great for brain health and heart health. Mix to combine everything evenly. Keep mixing to get an okay or a decent consistency. It doesn't have to be smooth because it won't matter after it's cooked. This consistency is okay. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of organic flax seeds. Flax seeds are considered nutrient-dense superfoods with high quality protein, fiber, and lots of omega-3s. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds is high in omega-3s and fiber. Now let's add some nutritional yeast. This is one of the key ingredients to make your pancake even fluffier. Nutritional yeast has protein, fiber, and lots of the B vitamins. It is rich in minerals like iron, selenium, and zinc, which support immunity and skin health. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix to combine everything evenly. Mix until you get a pancake-like consistency. This is good. Next, add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a non-stick pan. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Now let's pour your desired amount of pancake batter into the pan. You can make them big or small or whatever you like. So delicious, light and fluffy. I also like to add some dried cranberries from time to time to my pancakes. These are so quick and easy to make. I made pancake for several days. I like to drizzle some melted butter on top, but you can use whatever you like. So delicious and healthy. I can't wait to try these. I'm sharing. So fluffy and yummy. The dried cranberries add an extra level of flavor. You can top off your pancakes with some fruit like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, or a combination of all three. Enjoy! To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.